exciting challenge for Kellogg employees to showcase their foodie skills. So we challenged Kellogg North America to create the next culinary recipe for our Kellogg New York City Cereal Cafe.
You can just look around this room right now and you can just see the types of innovation and creativity that everybody here has, and I'm sure it's certainly not limited to this room.
I think we have a large population of foodies here, and I think it really does add to the culture here at Kellogg.
I would say want to be foodies who love to cook and entertain. I'm not a trained chef, but I watch a lot of cooking shows on TV.
The winner will not only have the recipe featured on the Kellogg cereal menu, but they will also win a free trip to New York City to taste the recipe in person in the cafe.
I just like to bring my culture and heritage into anything I make. So I love the fact that you could pair up the cereal so well with very traditional pudding that we usually eat on religious occasions. It's called Cinnamini Tapioca Twist.
So we have for you our recipe. We call it's peanut butter jelly time.
Peanut butter jelly time.
And we were thinking, peanut butter and jelly is a classic snack or a sandwich. Why don't we put that in the cereal bowl? And that's what we thought. And so we have for you peanut butter blended with milk. It is delicious. And then we took strawberries, bananas, fresh cut strawberries and fresh cut bananas in a bowl, and we drizzled peanut butter and strawberry, like local Traverse City strawberry preserve on top.
So today I have something called It's Masala Time, where I'm using a cornflakes and Rice Krispies and turning into something very different, very creative and very spicy. So just thinking out of the box and making it more exciting.
They will be looking for several things. Most importantly, they'll be judging these recipes on taste. They will also be looking for creative and unique ingredients. They'll be looking for easily sourceable ingredients. We want to make sure our cafe can source these items. They will be looking for broad appeal, and they will also be looking for visually appealing recipes. So we want these to be Instagram worthy.
It literally tastes like it was soaked in peanut butter.
The ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, just green.
Oh, but it's fantastic.
I thought it was a bit fibrous.
It is designed to be paired with wine. This is actual wine.
It's phenomenal.
Grand champion winners, peanut butter jelly time. It feels fantastic.
It feels amazing.
Yeah,
it feels very rewarding.
Yeah, it's gonna take a few hours to sink in because we're still like, what? We're just looking at each other like, wait,
Did this really happen?
actually happened? Yeah.
People are loving the out-of-the-box thought and creativity we have here. This challenge was perfect for us to bring out all the innovation we have in our mind. So